Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Queryling. Queryling is an end-to-end AI platform that helps you learn smarter, revise faster, and also prepare for exams. Let's look at the working of Queryling. We have three modes listed here. That is the Learn plus Teach mode, Only Teach mode, and the Rapid mode. Let's look at the Learn plus Teach mode first. Create a new session. This will take you to the study material upload screen. You have different personas listed here. You can choose from any of these or create a custom one for your liking. The personas define the way how the AI explains to the user. Let's go with the 5-year-old for the session. Now let's upload the study material. You have different formats to upload study material. It ranges from PPTs, PDFs, images, text, website links, and YouTube links. And then let's initialize the system. Once the study material is analyzed by the Gemini model, you will be presented the following flowchart. When you click on any given node, you will get the explanation window. This explanation window has the core concept, the mental model, the concrete examples, the key takeaways, and also curated resources from the internet. For any given individual, this explanation window is sufficient to learn the topic. Further, if the user has any doubts, they can click on the Explain This button. This pop-up a chat interface for them. This chat interface has many features, such as generating visuals and also one-to-one live interaction with the AI. Let's look at the generating visual feature first. As you can see, a visual has been generated explaining the given node in detail. You can always download the image from here. Moving on, we have the one-to-one live interaction with AI. This is based on the Google Multimodal Live API. This is multilingual, meaning you can talk in any language and the reply from the AI will be in that language only. We have 5 different modules of the voice listed here, and you can choose any one of those. Moving on, if you have forgotten to upload any of the study materials, you can always add it in between by clicking on the plus symbol and upload the study material and merging it into the active graph. When you understand a given node, you can mark it as mastered. Moving on, let's mark all the nodes as mastered after you learn them. Now that I have marked all the nodes as mastered, I get a notification saying that phase 1 is complete. You can either get the golden summary of all the nodes or generate flashcards for the same. Let's look at the golden summary first. The golden summary PDF has the detailed explanation of all the nodes and also answers the questions you have asked in the chat interface. Moving on, let's generate the flashcards. The flashcards have been generated. You have the question and answer format for the flashcards. You can also download the PDF for the flashcards. This marks the completion of learning phase. For any given user, this would mark the end of the learning and he or she would feel confident in the topic. But there is a technique called as a Feynman technique, which states that you only master a topic when you teach it back to someone. Queryling is based exactly on this. There is a teaching phase here. As you can see, the nodes have a different look. When you click on any given node, you need to explain the AI about the node on what you have learned. There are target concepts here. These are unlocked only when you explain the AI properly using the given keywords in the topic. When you are comfortable with the explanation to the AI, you can end the session. Then the AI generates a visual based on the explanation you have given to the AI on the topic. This image generation is purely based on the explanation or the wordings which you have used in the explanation to the AI. If you're happy with the explanation and the visual and it aligns with the explanation of the topic, you can go ahead and click on yes, that's accurate, or re-explain the AI by clicking on no, it's missing details option. Then you get the mastery score on the topic. You can do this to all the nodes and get the mastery score for each of these nodes. This marks the completion of the teaching phase. On the home page, you have the only teach mode. This only teach mode directly takes you to the teaching phase by skipping the learning phase. Moving on, we have the rapid mode. Rapid mode has 3 protocols in it. That is the survival, velocity, and the simulation protocol. Let's look at the survival protocol first. The steps are the same. You upload the study material and also the PYQs in the rapid mode because the PYQs is for mainly exam-oriented preparation. Once you upload the PYQs and study material and initialize the system, as you can see, a similar flowchart has been generated but with different color schemes now. The blue color nodes indicate that these are not so important topics based on the PYQs. The orange and red are the heat maps which state that these are pretty important for the exams. When you click on the nodes, you get 2 sections. That is the point-wise explanation or the bulleted points to the topic and also memory hooks for the answer. You can add this points to the survival kit. The survival kit is a PDF which has all the questions with answers. You can download this PDF. This completes survival mode. Moving on, let's head to the velocity mode. The process for velocity mode is similar. You upload the study material and the PYQs. Velocity mode is for people who have studied for the exam but are looking for last-minute revisions. In velocity mode, when you click on a given node, you are given a rapid-fire question. That is, the AI asks a question and you are given only 1 minute to answer the question. Looking at here, you are given the question and when you click on the mic button, the 1-minute timer starts. You explain the AI the topic and then submit the answer. The AI grades your answer and gives you the score. In the simulation mode, you upload the study material and the PYQs as before, then initialize the system. In the simulation mode, you can generate mock question paper for the exam. It has 2 sections, the MCQ section and the long answer type of questions. As you can see, the question paper has been generated and you have 2 options to download the question paper with answer or without the answer keys. As you can see, the question paper has 2 sections, that is MCQs and the long answer type of questions. So this completes the demo video of Queryling. Thank you everyone.